Yeah. It's a good Saturday, man. It's a good Saturday. Hey, you guys running this? Yeah, I got a drone. Could I do some drone shots? I'll send you guys on Instagram. You got Instagram, right? 'Cause I think I follow you guys. See you guys. I would brought my truck out, but it's stock as fuck. So.
This has it too. It's okay.
That's not stock. It's got a bumper. So who's got the best truck here? You look familiar. I don't know where I know you from, but I saw that. Yo, what is up, my grimy people? It's your boy, Grimzy, the Junkie Street Bike Kid. Back at it with another video on the YouTube. So we just got done with doing a meet. It was just like a big truck meet, Copper State Customs. Pretty cool dudes, a bunch of younger guys, but they got some cool trucks out there. I just kind of came out and did some footage take, just kind of hung out, seeing what was going on. We're actually gonna go and test something out. I got a new toy. Apparently, I accidentally deleted all the footage of what happened at this place, CMC. Apparently, a cat fried their substation. The fuck was that? No way, I just saw that. Not very lucky for the kitty. You know, I was able to witness the whole thing, and it was quite spectacular. But as I said, I lost all footage that was really, really good. But for right now, we're gonna go show off the new toy. We're gonna do some tests. We're gonna mess around with it, see how it works, and then after that, we're gonna call it a day. I have a splitting headache, so that's super cool. I also wanted to thank all the new people that are on the channel, because we just hit 94 subscribers from 71 over the period of like 20 hours, a whole day, a 24-hour period, maybe. It might have been 12. But I posted a short, and I didn't even want to, I was like, I don't know about this one. I don't know if I want to post it. But I ended up posting it anyways, because it was just kind of goofy, you know? And I ended up racking like 30K views on YouTube, which I know for a short, that's not a lot. For a new guy, that's a pretty big moment. It's a viral moment, not a viral video. A viral moment. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for giving me that opportunity to put something out like that on YouTube, and for you guys to love it so damn much. All right, so the new toy that I had purchased is something that I'm hoping will further improve our visual fidelity when it comes to YouTube videos. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I got right now. All right, so this is our new toy. As you guys can see, I basically have my own cameraman now. Anyway. As you can see, it's a camera drone, so pretty slick, pretty cool. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna test out its capabilities with what it can do. What I want to do a little bit more of a complicated shot, because I can't always stick up a tripod. It's a lot easier just to move. Oh, that's the wrong way. It's a lot easier to move a drone if I want to change the way a shot looks. As you can see, I'm doing that right now. I can control this drone however I want. Even in its slow mode, it's a little fast though. Hold up, wait. So in this case, we have a drone that is now rotating my motorcycle while I talk. Oh, I'm not even recording. Oh, I am recording. Yeah, let's do a clap. So that's something new I'm gonna have to remember too, because I have to sync audio, because this drone doesn't record any audio. I know this is a little niche, but when it comes to cinematic creation, this is something that's gonna work out pretty well for some of the stuff I want to do for this channel. For instance, I could set up an aerial view just like that. So now I have a drone up in the sky checking on an aerial view of what's going on, kind of to establish the setting of where I'm at. That's my wide angle view. We even have a super sick, super down low shot. This is that visual. So hopefully this looks okay, because I feel a little silly. We could even do, woohoo, damn. We could even do one of these. Still getting used to the drone, guys. The cool thing about this drone is that it's got a lot of automatic functions. So for instance, it will land by itself. It'll fly back over here. Just a lot of smart modes, which for someone that's not very skilled in drone flying, this works out pretty well. And then swapping a battery is super easy. Press and hold. Once it blinks over here and it shuts off, it's done. Take that out, put this in. We're gonna again press and hold. Now it's on. Wait for it to start, and it should reconnect automatically. So can we do an active track? So this is our active track mode. All right. We got a front, back, left, and right. It thinks it's at my back right now. That is so not true. That's my back. Can we go to the front? Okay. I think the helmet confuses the drone a little bit. Yeah, it's not. It doesn't know what side of me it's looking at. It's okay. I want to see how it does following me on the bike. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's probably gonna lose me. Oh no, it kept me. Wow. So this drone is advertised anywhere from 22 to 35 miles an hour. From what I've seen online, people in the follow modes can get it to go up to 22 miles an hour. In manual, I have gotten it up to 35. But that was on days with wind. So I feel like the drone was getting pushed. We're gonna see how well this thing does with its obstacle avoidance here. It's supposed to be pretty advanced. Oh, all right, good job, drone. There's a tree here. Are you gonna dodge that? Damn, we got that forced perspective, baby. So it's keeping up pretty decent. It's flying, man. It's flying real good. Oh, and I think we lost. Yeah, we lost the drone there. Okay, very cool though. Mine first. Okay, I'm in neutral. That's crazy. That's pretty good though. All right, can we do a active track? Back left. Yeah, just right there. That looks pretty good to me. All right, let's keep going. On an acceleration test. It's doing pretty good. It's doing real good. Could I drop it? Not really, kind of. Wow. All right, we're gonna take a right here. Let's see how the drone handles this, because it seems like it fell back a little bit. Not bad. Holy crap. That's crazy. I don't know if I got my, that should work. Can we get a left side view? No shot, dude. No shot. That's insanely crazy. What's up, guy? That's so cool. I can't seem to lower the drone any further. That could be a safety measure. Possible obstacle obstruction. Okay, so it's not going to go any lower than what it's already going. Can we do a front left? What is that gonna look like? Well, it's on the left. Oh no, it moved to the front left. Holy crap. There it is. There it is, folks. How cool is that? That's nice. That's nuts. Okay, so it's falling back a little bit. And then it should be catching up. Whoa, dude, it flew. Wow. Wow. I wonder what that's gonna look like on footage. That's nuts. Holy crap. Alright, let's do a front face. This one I have a feeling it's going to struggle with. I don't know how fast we're even going. We're going 12 miles an hour. Oh, but it's working pretty good. It's going to fall off to the left here when we take this turn. But we'll see. We'll see how it's going to catch back up and what it's going to have to do to catch back up. Oh, it went way out there. Drone technology is still pretty damn new to me. So the fact that it's doing all this is blowing my mind right now. Let's go ahead and drop it back. Okay. How is it going to handle that? Oh, flawlessly. Flawlessly. Wow. I know this is kind of dumb, but like I'm kind of cheesed right now. This is insane. Oh man, it's dodging those trees like crazy. It did lose me there though. You guys see that? It lost me pretty good. We are indeed moving. Okay, we're going to see if we can get onto this road. If there is any bit of traffic, we're not going to make the drive. We're gonna go ahead and put it behind just in case. You're supposed to go behind. Takes a second, huh? I think it's just thinking real hard. It's not doing that rear shot anymore. All right, no cars, so let's go ahead and take this out. And we're just gonna bring it right back in. So we're not at all going that fast. 16 miles an hour right here. Definitely capable of keeping up with that, as y'all can see. And then we're gonna go ahead and drop a left angle again. Okay. Oh, look at that flawless turn. It already knows. It already knows. It's like, yeah, you're coming up to a right turn. We're gonna go hit the left side. But all right, that's pretty crazy cool. So I like that. The ideas that I have with this drone are gonna be pretty in depth. Is it still tracking me? Okay. So yeah, I have a lot of ideas that we could do. We could do like cool edits, we could do cool cinematics, we could do I might start being able to make stuff for people specifically. Let's go ahead and bring you guys in closer, okay? Oh shit, I didn't realize it was in sport mode. But anyways guys, so this is kind of my new toy for the channel. This is gonna help maybe set an environment a little bit better if I'm going on a trip or if I'm going somewhere specific like a car meet, like bike night. I think this is gonna be a really cool option that I'm gonna have available now. To make my videos just a little bit different, okay? And like I said in one of my earlier videos this year, at this very same spot, this is the year where I want to take the cinematic expertise and bring it way up on these videos. So hopefully this is one of those things that's going to help me do that. I'm still getting used to using this, so, you know, pardon me checking every 10 seconds. Alrighty guys, this is GrimZ. If you liked the video, please let me know with a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you guys are new and you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the channel and share the videos you guys see fit. As always, I'll see you next time. This is GrimZ. Peace. And I think that's all we're gonna do for today. Alright guys, well this is GrimZ. Thank you for watching today's video. If you guys liked it, please let me know with a thumbs up and a channel and you haven't yet already. Shit. Alright guys, this is GrimZ. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys liked it, please let me know.